How to use Chegg Study for textbook solutions. Now, Chegg Study provides step-by-step solutions for over 21 million textbook problems. So here's what you need to do it. First of all, you want to make sure to open the Chegg Study app onto your device. Then you have to enter the book's title or its 13-digit ISBN found on the back of a cover into a search bar. This ensures you find the exact edition used in the class. There you have these, or you could simply go ahead and ask for about any topic, something like that. You could go ahead and type in. So then select get solutions. After which you could go ahead and compare the image and edition number to the one you own to ensure the problem set matches. Once the book is selected, use the drop down menu to pick the specific chapters and a problem number you are working on it. And you could just go ahead and view the step-by-step solutions as well, and you could go ahead and ask the Q&A section as well. If a specific textbook problem isn't listed or you need more clarity, you could use post a questions feature to get a custom explanation as well. So this way you will be able to use Chegg Study for textbook solutions. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.